Hey, what's on Cardano holders? So today's video is very special for Cardano holders. But this time, if you can see here, the Cardano result has goes down. So Cardano holders ask me this question to why Cardano is going down. I'll have to currency this goes down, guys. Understand? Please, so I explain in this video. This is the live price prediction of Cardano. So before I get start this brand video, my brothers, I request you to please subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I give you a good information of all cryptocurrencies. Yes, I give you a good information. I am uploading every latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So this is good channel for you if you are a holder of Cardano, not a Cardano, just all cryptocurrencies. So guys, let's get started this brand video. Okay guys, first of all I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour chart. Okay, I show you this chart, then remember this reading which I show you. Okay, at the end we decide to this is holding time, this is selling time, or this is buying time. Okay, so remember this reading and I solve your problem to why Cardano is goes down in those days. So please keep watch this video. Okay, I hope you watch this video. So guys, if you can see here, the chain is 0.26% going up. So this is absolutely good reading, and the last 1 hour result is absolutely mind-blowing. So remember this and remember this price. Especially remember this price. This time the price is 1.17 US dollar. So let's see the 1 day result, the 24-hour result, and then let's see the 24-hour result. Remember this reading which I show you at the last 1 hour. Okay guys, so be focused on this reading. Okay guys, be focused. First of all, you can check out this time the chart is minus 1.01% going down. So this time just focus this, absolutely very bad chant, but focus this why they going down. I explain at the end of this video to why they're going down, but you just remember this reading and be focused on this price. The price is 1.19. Can you remember the last 1 hour price? The last 1 hour price is 1.17 US dollar, but this time the price is 1.19 US dollar. So why? This is second question. I explained this at the end of video. Okay, so remember this also. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days result. The last 7 days chart, if you can check it out, the last changes is goes down and the price is going up. This is, remember, if you can see here, the first one as was just 0.26% going up. This is here positive, but this time if you can check out the 24-hour is 1.610, and this time you can see here minus 2.9% minus. This is absolutely very bad chant. So to minus 2.9% they goes down. But if you can check it out, this is the main point. You can check here the price is 1.23 US dollar. Why the price is going up? You can see here, and the last 7 days the price is 1.23, but last 2 days the latest price is 1.17. So the price is going down. This is one big reason, and I explained that. And this time guys, I show you 3 results, and the 3 results as unique for others. So this is one result to this is the start of month. I explained for I explained in our videos this big reason. This is the start of month in all cryptocurrencies as goes down, but Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Remember this, friends. Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, therefore they give us absolutely a good result in those days, always in those days. So this is good. So this is good for our holders. To you are the holder of Cardano. This is absolutely proud to you are a holder of Cardano. So guys, remember this reading. I gonna show you and the last hour. Okay, this is last latest. Let's check it out the last latest 1 hour result. Okay, again I gonna show you the latest hour. You can see here this is and plus 0.34% going down. Again they can gone up. So this is absolutely good. Cardano holders, focus this. Okay, remember which I show you. Okay, in this video. This and those days every cryptocurrency as goes down. This is one big reason to this is the start of month. I said that, and anytime. Okay, remember this. This time if you can see here the Cardano is absolutely starting going up. absolutely the result is in the positive. If you can check here the graph result, absolutely starting up, absolutely this is a small dump you can see here, but they can take a good heaviest jump. So you can see here absolutely good jumps. So Cardano holder, I think this is absolutely a buying time. I think Cardano starting jumping, and today I think starting they jumping, absolutely they start jumping like a rocket. You remember this, absolutely they're starting jump at the mid of this month. I hope at the mid of this month they can easily cross it 1.5 US dollar or 2 US dollar. So this is my expectation. I hope they can cross 2 US dollar at the end of this month, and if they can cross 2 US dollar, then they can make you a millionaire, they can give you a good profit. So this is absolutely good time to you just buy it. I hope Cardano going up. This is absolutely gone like a rocket. So just buy it and wait for the end of this month. This is my opinion, not order to you, just buy it. Please share your opinion. Your opinion is also important in the comment box. Absolutely, my brothers, if you enjoy this video, if you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest update, and also share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you, see you next time.